Okay, we talked about it in the last issue, in case of an emergency. The broadcast shouts to our broadcast equipment, and you know what? Our radio and walkie-talkie are also connected. Today, we will share the usage scenarios of walkie-talkies in rail transit. This is a universal digital walkie-talkie on the market. It can be connected to our CloudArt broadcast intercom system through the cluster gateway. Of course, traditional analog walkie-talkies can also be connected to the system through a vehicle-mounted station plus a cluster gateway. During the operation of rail transit, most of the staff are equipped with such in case of emergency. You can call our dispatch center with one click on the walkie-talkie to request assistance.
Command center, command center.
Command center, command center.
Of course, the dispatch center found that there was an emergency. You can also call to the designated walkie-talkie remote command work. In addition, when the staff finds an emergency on the platform or in the patrol area, you can also quickly shout to the current area through the broadcast an urgent reminder or warning. And rail travel, safe and worry-free. Follow me to learn more about TV video solutions.